What's up guys, Brad here at Arcon Fab on Instagram. Today we're going to talk about my favorite cup, the Shorty 15. I just really like the versatility I get out of it with all different thicknesses of stainless steel and mild steel that I go through, from 1/4 inch all the way up to like 22, 24 gauge. Just get excellent gas coverage. I can change my stick out. I've gone as far as about 1.25 inches stick out, running around 50 CFMs with it and gotten excellent results. So check it out. I enjoy it. You'll enjoy it. It's just a great cup.